ya bo Jet Li le bo Jackie Chan. On Betway's Metshameko Madness, I'm your host, Wasenatla Setsiriri Sekantshwane, Kennedy Thol. I'm here with two of the most beautiful ladies in the country. I'm with Situnya Delia, and she's just a girl trying to figure out this life baby thing.
Yes.
Jessica Mulife.
Yes, baby girl.
Now today, guys, the winner of this game will walk away with 10,000 pula for a charity of their choice. In 3, 2, 1, go! What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Is it Pluck and Pop? Is it Burn and Taste? Is it the Gross Box? It is Jump in the Trunk! That's what I'm talking about, baby! Situnya, there are 120 balls in that box that's strapped to your body. Each ball is worth 25 points.
Okay.
The orange balls are worth 50 points. The blue balls are worth 100 points.
Bring it on. That's a lot.
You have 30 seconds to jump, shake, dance to try and get all these balls out of this box. In 3, 2, 1, go! Come on now, go! Hey, Are. 25 seconds. Take it. Get those orange balls out. Get those blue balls out. Come on now. Change your strategy. Are. Come. 15 seconds, Situnya. Come on now. Trekanyana. Woo! 10 seconds. You're doing very good. 7 seconds. Nanguta kayo. 4, 3, 2, 1. How did that feel?
Honey, can you give me some more?
Okay, Jessica, how are you feeling?
This looks like easy peasy lemon
Do
squeeze.
you think we're ready for Katawaira?
This is nothing.
Wow, we're even beyond.
Bring it or leave
We're
it.
not.
Once.
All
Bring it or leave it.
together.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go! That's 30 seconds on the clock. Uta kayo na. Situnya Are, 20 seconds on the clock. 15 seconds. Let's go. 11 seconds. That's what's up, Situnya. 9 seconds. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How did that feel?
Balls, guys, a workout and a half.
Situnya, you come in at 1,525 points. And Jessica, you come in at a whopping 1,925 points. Congratulations. You have just won a 10,000 pula for a charity of your choice. Come on now. That's all from Metshameko Madness. I'm your host, Kennedy Thol. Just remember, just because the cameras turn off does not mean the fun does. Join Betway today.